so we have a new Lego, so we're going to build it. My sister is over here. This is her face reveal. Her real face. That's her real face. TD Bricks, what should I bring? What should I build next? First, we need to remove the carrot. Please! Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop walking. Please stop walking. Oh, looping. Looping. Ooh. We need these pieces. We need this. I am TD Bricks. Bro, TD Bricks, what happens if I am you? Then I'll be your servant. Servant what? Bro, I like 3D Bricks. I like 3D Bricks. I like TD Bricks. I'm your biggest fan, TD Bricks. TD Bricks the Rizzler. I'm not lying, it's broken. Because that's why I'm not coming in. Guys, can you must watch it? I am not dancing. I'm just a chill. My boy. What? Anong sabi mo sa video? Tano. Subscribe to Tano? Yeah. Tatay. You don't tell to them. Don't tell to them. Don't tell to them. Don't tell to them. Somebody ruined your shirt?
No, baby. That's short. Oh.
Don't know how to use it. Is it like this? Is it like this?
One down.
Is it like this? Yeah, done. So Ate. So we're going to left the shoes because it's my shoes. It's my shoes, bro. It's my shoes. That's the Jordan shoes. So to put on here. Super hard, guys. Happened here. No, it's a car. What did I build, guys? Do you think it's cool? And please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and bye bye, guys. And I'll be just cool. And Kenji, please forgive.